Hello guys and welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to screen record on Windows 11 and how you can do screen recording by recording screen and also sound if you wish to do so. To screen record, go into search on Windows 11 and type in snipping tool. Once you start typing, you will find this first option, which is snipping tool. Click into it and this pop-up will come up, and here you will see two icons. One is snip. This means that you can make screenshots, but we want to record our screen. So click here on second icon, which is video icon, and by selecting video icon you will be able to record screen. And to record screen, click here on this new recording, and then you can select the area which you would like to record on your screen. You can select all screen if you would like to record all screen, but if you would like to record only some particular part, click on your mouse, drag which part you would like to record. As you can see, I'm just dragging, holding down my mouse cursor, and then you select the area which you would like to record on your screen if you want to record only a small part of your screen. And then here on this pop-up or this tab at the very top, you can see that there is also a microphone icon. If you click on this drop down, you can select microphone from which you would like to record, whether it's your built-in microphone of your laptop or your computer, or some external microphone which you have connected to your computer. Then you can click here on unmute, and once you will click this mute icon, it will unmute microphone and you will be able to record also sound. Then you click on start whenever you are ready. Then you will see countdown 3, 2, 1. And once this countdown is done, your recording will start. And in this video, I will delete this icon. And once you are finished with recording, click here on this red button, which is stop recording, and it will stop recording. Then here at the very top, here you can preview your video if you click on this play, and it recorded also the sound of this video. And if you want to save it, click here on save as. There is the icon at the very top, click on it, and then you can select where you want to save it, click on save and save your video. This is how you can screen record on Windows 11. If you found this video useful, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.